Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a hard question in a very easy manner. And the question is x minus 8 whole square equal to 36. And in order to solve this question, first we should apply squaring on the both sides of the equation. As a result, this square and this root will cancel out and this x minus 8 will come out from the root and this 36 will come out from the root as plus minus 6. Now in the next step we should write x minus 8 equal to 6 and x minus 8 equal to minus 6, or you can say that this equation can be written as in this form, which is x minus 8 equal to 6 and x minus 8 equal to minus 6. Now this minus 8 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into plus 8, and as a result we should get x is equals to 14, which is the sum of 6 plus 8. And in the next step this minus 8 will move to the other side of the equation and we will get minus 6 plus 8, and as a result we should get x is equals to 2, because minus 6 plus 8 will be equal to 2. So here we get the two values for the x. First is x is equals to 14 and second is x is equals to 2. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.